Whether you're headed to the beach, tailgating before your favorite sporting event, or camping in the wild, keeping your food and drinks cold is absolutely key. There are many products available to choose cooler, each with different characteristic, benefits and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cooler from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coleman Stream Portable Cooler. We are astonished by how well this relatively cheap device insulates. The Coleman Stream 70 competes favorably against versions costing 3 or 4 times as much. Despite lacking the rotomolded insulating expertise and tough sturdiness of the premium models, the Coleman plainly demonstrates its worth and value when you consider the enormous amount of money you'll save. Additionally, it weighs less than most of the rest of the competition, and even some of the personal-sized devices we tested. Number 2. SPEC Rotomolded High-Performance Camping Cooler Ice Chest. With a durable rotomolded construction but a useful assortment of extras, such as integrated bottle openers and a compass, an air release valve, in addition to the standard drain plug, which is common on most designs, and even a ruler for measuring the size of a fish, SPEC 60 quart is a notable exception. The SPEC stands out as an exceptionally well-rounded design and a fantastic bargain when you add in a pricing that significantly undercuts the similarly sized Thunder 65 above by $125. There are a few more significant changes between the SPEC Pro and Yeti Tundra, in addition to the price reduction. Number 3. Coleman Steel Belted Cooler. The Coleman Steel Belted is a decent compromise if you want to move up from a cheap model, but don't need premium cooling, or a bear-proof build. For $170 on Amazon at the time of publishing, you get a sturdy design with metal components and a timeless appearance that has long been a staple of campers and backyard barbecues. Although the claimed ice retention of 4 days may be overstated in practice, this cooler is more than adequate for road trips, camping trips, and daytime use. We also enjoyed the 54 quart capacity, which is superior to the well-liked Thunder 45 from Yeti, while weighing 4 pounds less. The steel belted's construction quality is noticeably better than Coleman's plastic Stream 5 model, but it still falls far short of premium rotomolded models. Number 4. Orca Coolers White. We tested the notion that all sizes of a specific model are the same, despite how alluring it is to think such. The Orca 40 is our favorite mid-size cooler out of the group. This low-profile ice chest really offers a full 40 quarts of interior space, living up to its name. Additionally, this series features an outside, Velcro-sealed mesh pocket that spans the whole rear of the box, giving you extra storage space on the outside of the ice chest. A thick tube that squishes flat when closed, filling in gaps, plus a deftly welded shut seam make the Orca 40 one of the few competitors that truly makes an airtight seal, as opposed to the majority of its rivals. Number 5. Igloo 70 QT Premium Trailmate Wheeled Rolling Cooler. Igloo's Trailmate Journey is the cooler version of an all-terrain vehicle, because its robust plastic and aluminum structure is made to handle the rigors of frequent outdoor usage, and its large, 10 inches, wheels have deep tread to plow through sand, grass, and other soft surfaces. The cooler with the most features on our list is the one with 4 cup holders, a mesh storage pocket, integrated bottle openers, a butler tray for storing and preparing food, and even a built-in phone stand. We particularly adore the legs and telescopic handle, which make carrying the cooler simple and safeguard its bottom from damage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.